Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Xbox QAU-00065 Wireless Controller Shock. Introduction. Specifications. Package includes features, ergonomic design, haptic feedback, customizable buttons, wireless connectivity, built-in audio jack, modernized design, stay on target, share button, complete control, compatibility, usage, connecting to Xbox, connecting to Windows, customizing controls, product overview, elevate your game, plug and play, stay on target, custom controller profiles, share button, quickly pair and switch, care and maintenance, cleaning, storage, battery replacement, troubleshooting, FAQs. How does the Xbox QAU-00065 connect to devices? What is the battery life of the Xbox QAU-00065? What types of games are best suited for the Xbox QAU-00065? How can I share content using the Xbox QAU-00065? What gaming platforms support the Xbox QAU-00065? How do I reset the Xbox QAU-00065 if it is not responding? What materials are used in the construction of the Xbox QAU-00065?
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.